Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special treat for you. The Russian Dolla multi-dye Zari mix sari price at just 1400. This stunning sari is must-have ethnic wear for a perfect look with its elegant design and intricate zari work. It executes sheer elegance and sophistication. The Russian Dolla multi-dye Zari mix sari is made from high-quality fabric that feels incredible soft against your skin, ensuring maximum comfort throughout the day. Whether you are attending a wedding party or any festive occasion, this saree will effortlessly make you shine the stand out from the crowd. With its vibrant color and fine craftsmanship, this saree is a true work of art. It beautiful combines traditional element with a modern touch, creating a unique and eye-catching ensemble. But that's not all. This saree also come with a matching blouse piece and with a contrast blouse, allowing you to customize your look and achieve a perfect fit. It lightweight and easy to wear nature. So guys, make it the go-to choice for any fashionable woman. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a Russian Dolla silk saree at 1400. Revamp your ethnic wardrobe today and get ready to make a lasting impression wherever you go. Order your now and add a special touch of style. Thank you for watching this video. So and turn for more fashion tips, trend and amazing deals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion updates. Guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care and thank you.